As a drone reviewer, I see Holy Stone releasing new drones every year, the latest in terms of technology and design, and the brand has established itself in the market by competing with other popular brand drones, such as DJI. Holy Stone has several models of drones. I will discuss the latest 5 drone models here so that you can select the best drone at an affordable price. In this video we will look at some of the best Holy Stone drones reviews on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Holy Stone HS360. The Holy Stone HS360 is a perfect beginner drone. However, some pilots say they are using it for professional purposes. The exterior design is a lot like the DJI Mini say. Although the HS360 weighs 276 grams, the DJI Mini say weighs less than 250 grams and the total flight time is 30 minutes, while the HS360 can fly for up to 44 minutes with 2 batteries, and it costs less than $300 and less than the DJI Mini say. It's the perfect choice for easy drone flying. It flies in just a few taps. It can withstand light winds, but in high winds, it would not be okay to fly. It makes a few sounds while flying. It has a GPS feature, but it is better not to activate GPS indoors. It comes with its technology like the previous model, HS720E, with a camera of 2.5K. It has a 3840 x 2160p photo resolution on your phone and a 2560 x 1440p video resolution on its DFT card. The drone supports memory cards up to 64 GB. Built with intelligent air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover with more stability. The intelligent design ensures you a safe and stable flight. It will allow your drone to orbit around a fixed object. The feature can get more creative shots and find the beauty of nature in every aspect. Number 2. Holy Stone HS710. The Holy Stone HS710 is the latest design folding drone. It offers a flight time of 22 minutes per battery, and like the HS360, making it an alternative to the DJI Mavic. It weighs light, just under 250 grams. This is a 4K camera drone for beginners that captures your wonderful moments in incredible detail. It comes with 120 degrees wide-angle lenses. A remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure gives you access to large view captures. Guarantees great image transmission with 5 GHz FPV technology. It offers several features for you, including GPS, follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest, so that the drone can fly automatically. You can enjoy flight and photo capture at family events. The top rank of camera drones for adults, the UHD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. GPS drones for adults. Multiple GPS functions such as follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. Altitude hold makes the drone hover in the air without throttle control. Smart return to home and emergency stop free your minds of losing the drone. One key takeoff/landing help get the hang of it quickly and easily. A perfect drone for beginners. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E. The HS720E is an upgraded version of the HS720, a model that proudly introduces itself to the Holy Stone brand. It has improved the look of the camera and the actual 4K video, which is comparable to the DJI Mini 2, but you get it at an affordable price. The Holy Stone HS720E drone is a high-performance device with a 4K camera and Sony sensors. Its technology enhances video clarity, while Sony sensors capture higher image quality. With this drone, you get a remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable angle for a wide view. It has 2 intelligent batteries that can be used. Each battery offers a flight time of 22 minutes. Similar to the previous 2 drones. This gives you a more stable flight with less noise, which gives you a lot of joy and wonder. With their optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoor and outdoor, GPS location and auto return to home free of losing the drone. The intelligent flight modes enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands and minds to do video or picture creation, including follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. Brushless motors run more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Besides, they have a longer lifetime and spare you from motor maintenance. Number 4. Holystone HS700E. Looking for an all-in-one drone suitable for aerial photography and videography? Look no further than the Holystone HS700E. The drone has a 4K resolution camera that captures stunning footage and photos, a 5 GHz FPV transmission system that lets you watch live footage on your phone or tablet, and a 130 degrees FOV viewing angle that ensures you get the best possible shots. With its simple auto-return home functionality, this drone is sure to turn your aerial photography and photography experience into a breeze. Also, its carrying case makes it easy to carry this drone with you wherever you go. Since it is equipped with these 2 navigation modules, the drone can hover with more stability, reducing the risk of loss. When the drone loses signal or power, it will trigger the return to home function. There is no need for complicated preparation work before each flight. The altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor and optical flow modules make the HS700E super friendly for novice pilots. The brushless motors run more powerfully and with much less noise than competitor drones. The Follow Me, custom flight path and smart return to home can be controlled by our Ophelia application while you view your drone's camera video on your smartphone. Number 5. Holystone HS110G. Looking for a drone that is both stylish and functional? See the Holystone HS110G quadcopter. This sleek drone is suitable for both new and experienced pilots and boasts features like a 1080p HD camera, altitude hold, and follow me mode. And if you're looking for something extra special, don't forget to check out the HS720E. It has a unique design and sophisticated technology. However, you can get your Holystone HS110G today for a reasonable price. Equipped with GPS location, the drone can memorize the home point and return automatically whenever the drone lose signal or lose power, or whenever you press down auto return button. You may set a custom flight path at your will or instruct the drone to follow you automatically. Detachable propeller makes the drone easy to carry. 2 modular batteries prolong flight time to 26 minutes. Control range is up to 984 feet. The HS110G drone with 1080p HD camera can record images and voice at the same time, and you may share them on the social media immediately through the app. The latest altitude control system enables stable flight. There are considerate icon on the controller and app to help users grasp flying skills sooner.